Discover 10 of the healthiest snacks that are not only devoid of carbs and sugar but also delicious. If you're on a mission to shed some extra weight without compromising on taste, you're in the right place. Carbs and sugars, especially the processed ones, can be burdensome on both the scale and your overall health. They contribute to unwanted pounds and various health issues. Today, we present to you 10 snack options that are not only low in carbs and sugar but also simple, delicious, and aligned with your weight loss and blood sugar management goals. Let's dive in. 1. Olives. Flavorful olives, prevalent in Mediterranean cuisine, are packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats and antioxidant-rich vitamin E. They have anti-inflammatory properties, support bone health, and are a tasty treat with nutritional benefits. 2. Cheese sticks and cubes. Cheese, a nutritional goldmine, is high in calcium, a great protein source, and offers probiotics for gut health. Enjoy natural full-fat cheese in moderation for a tasty and low-carb, sugar-free nutritional powerhouse. 3. Boiled eggs. Nature's multivitamin. Boiled eggs are a compact bundle of nutrition rich in high-quality protein, choline for brain health, and antioxidants. They positively influence health and are a satisfying, low-carb snack. 4. Almonds. Beyond their crunch, almonds are nutritional powerhouses rich in monounsaturated fats, promoting heart health. Their fiber keeps you full, aids digestion, and supplies magnesium and calcium. Opt for raw or unsalted roasted variants in moderation for optimal benefits. 5. Macadamia nuts. Touted as the king of nuts, macadamias are a culinary delight and a health treasure. Full of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, they offer heart health benefits. Enjoy them in moderation for a nutrient-dense snack. 6. Seaweed snacks. Crispy marine plant sheets, seaweed snacks are low in carbs and rich in iodine, omega-3 fatty acids, and vital minerals. They support thyroid function, heart health, and provide a low-carb alternative to traditional chips. 7. Celery sticks with natural peanut butter. Pairing crunchy celery with natural peanut butter provides hydration, fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Opt for peanut butter without added sugars for a harmonious blend that satisfies without resorting to carb-heavy or sugary alternatives. 8. Cucumber slices with guacamole. A refreshing combo, cucumber slices bring hydration, while guacamole provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This snack is a nutrient-dense choice for those looking to stave off hunger without excess carbs or sugars. 9. Chia seed pudding. A delightful and satisfying dessert, chia seed pudding is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and essential minerals. It stabilizes blood sugar levels and offers a holistic snack for bone nourishment, making it a perfect choice for those focused on comprehensive health. 10. Sugar-free jerky. A chewy, protein-rich dried meat, sugar-free jerky is a snack with essential protein content for muscle maintenance. It's low in fat, enriched with zinc and B vitamins, making it suitable for low-carb, low-sugar diets. In conclusion, embarking on a journey to cut back on carbs and sugars doesn't have to mean sacrificing the joy of snacking. The array of healthful options presented here serves as a testament to the idea that nourishing your body can be both delightful and rewarding. These 10 snacks not only cater to weight loss goals by being low in carbs and sugar but also contribute to your overall well-being. So, as you embark on your journey to prioritize health, remember that these snacks aren't just about dropping a few pounds. They're about making enduring lifestyle choices. By choosing nutrient-dense, low-carb, and low-sugar options, you're investing in your well-being, supporting your body with essential nutrients, and savoring the joy of wholesome snacking. If you're seeking a path to comprehensive health, these snacks are your allies in the quest for a balanced, nourished, and energized life. If you found these healthful snack suggestions insightful and are eager for more practical advice on staying fit, feeling great, and embracing a healthier lifestyle, then consider joining our community. Hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel for a regular dose of no-nonsense guidance and insightful tips on your journey to well-being. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so don't miss out on the opportunity to make informed and enjoyable choices for your health. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this journey together.